right, this is another open middle problem. And so we want you to practice and try and do your best. And you probably won't get the right answer on the first try. The teachers, when we made our answer key for this, actually took quite a while. So show all of your work on the paper, and you can just like scratch it out as you're going if you get it wrong. All right. So if you hit the answer on the first try, we do want to see 3 other trials. If you look at the grading scale, if you have 4 options, you get a 4 out of 4, one of them being correct. So you need those 3 other options. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting a smaller score. All right, you can work together. So with 1 or 2 other people is just fine. You do each have to submit your own work though. So make sure that you're each also writing it down. One way you could get together is through a Google Meet. You could do it on your own time and just email each other. So that would be one option. So using the digits 1 through 20, at most 1 time each. That means if you use a 1 in the first spot, you can't use it again. All right, so there's more open places here. There's actually more than 1 correct answer. There's quite a few different correct answers. So keep trying until you get it. Happy solving.